everyone, welcome back to Unboxing History, show where we explore the past one Lego piece at a time. I'm Avrey Charles, your guide on this historical journey.
Today, we've got something truly magnificent on the table, Lego's Architecture Taj Mahal set.
Now, before we dive into the bricks and pieces, let's talk about the Taj Mahal itself. Did you know that it's one of the 7 wonders of the world? The Taj Mahal is located in Agra, India, and considered a masterpiece of Mughal architecture.
It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal.
As we start building, we're not just creating an initial version of the Taj Mahal, we're also exploring history, architecture, and design. Lego says it's like these aren't just toys, they're tools for learning.
Just look at the intricate details of the Taj Mahal, the domes, the minarets, and the beautiful symmetry.
It's a great way to understand how architects and builders from the past crafted these amazing structures.
Now, as we build, let's talk about how this Lego set aligns with the STEAM curriculum. That's science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
The precision required in assembling these pieces involve mathematical thinking and understanding that architectural design incorporates both science and engineering principles. Plus, don't forget about the artsy style. The Taj Mahal is not only an architectural marvel, but it's also a symbol of love. And there we have it, our completed Lego Architecture Taj Mahal.
This set has taken us on a journey through history, taught us about architecture and design, and even brushed up on some STEAM subjects.
Remember, learning can be fun, and even comes in many forms, even in the shape of Lego bricks. So keep exploring.